Hey everyone, welcome to Amare's Approach. At age 26, I was in the same spot as most people, with a net worth of less than $5,000 and making around $40,000 a year. Fast forward 5 years, when I was 31, I was making $400,000 a year. And in my early 30s, I became a millionaire with paid off house, cars, and investments. And all of this was from a 9-to-5 career. No side hustles, no inheritance, no real estate empire. And here's the kicker, I didn't leverage any debt to build my wealth. I started this channel because I noticed a lot of content creators, specifically on YouTube, as well as TikTok, talking about how to build wealth or grow your career, but most of it is just theory. I wanted to create a place where you hear from someone who's actually been there and figured out what works in real life. So my aim is to share practical strategies to level up your wealth, your career, and along the way, hopefully expand your perspective in a way that will allow you to enjoy every facet of your personal and professional lives. So why should you listen to me? I'm sure this is a question some of you are wondering. I'll say this, I'm not someone with just a theory. I am a practitioner. Someone who's actually done what he is suggesting, which is to build wealth step by step using strategies that actually work. As I alluded to earlier in the video, by my early 30s, I became a millionaire with a paid off house, cars, and investments that ultimately helped me reach FIRE, just financial independence, retire early. And all of this was without any debt, inheritance, scholarships, or a fancy degree. Now, unless you consider a communications degree fancy, then I guess by all means I am very fancy. But seriously, I built it from a 9-to-5 career, and I want to share the lessons I've learned through doing it my way. Therefore, Amare's Approach. So that's the quick intro to me and what this channel is all about. Hopefully you still made it to this portion of the video. If this sounds like something you want to explore, hit subscribe and either learn or get entertained from my experiences and laugh a little. I'm glad you're here.